Hi, my dear student. Today you will learn how to pronounce the word and you will learn grammar. It is the first lesson for you. So that you, Manisha, you come here. I am writing here alphabet. You should pronounce the alphabet one by one in a native way. Okay, you should come here and pronounce the alphabet. Okay.
I V C D E F Z H I Z
K.
K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Thanks. Now you should introduce yourself. You say something about you.
My name is Manisha. I am 16 years old. I am student of class 10. I come to learn spoken English at Vision Pro Institute. Here I learn how to pronounce English alphabet. Here we learn grammar, construction of the sentences and spoken English.
Thanks. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. You are speaking no doubt very well, but here again I have given some words. Here I have given some words. Here D is silent before G. Whenever we are writing at the time, D will be silent. D will be silent. Here BADG baz. Here bridge. D will not be pronounced. BDG hobani. BDG hobe na. होगा नहीं. Budget. BUDGET. अगर budget नहीं होगा. Like this, you will not pronounce the word D, and you completed your pronunciation over here. You Neharika Das, you come here first.
Bed.
Breeze.
Budget.
Is. Freeze. Judge. Knowledge. Again here some words have been given here. Common random words. Here the handkerchief. But remember, we should not pronounce the word D. Here we should not pronounce the word T. Handkerchief is the handkerchief. Now pronounce all the words removing D from your pronunciation. Okay?
Sir. Handkerchief by hanky. Handsome. Sandwich. Wednesday.
Now, if your word begins with WH, H is silent. Here, some words are given. Here, H will not be pronounced. H will not be pronounced. You, Manisha, come here. You pronounce all these words.
What? Red.
When.
Will.
Where.
Why. Where.
Okay. Now you pronounce these words. You pronounce
Words.
what,
When.
when,
Why.
why,
Where.
where. Okay, thanks. Now you pronounce these words. Baz. Breeze. Okay. Buzzet.
H.
Is.
Fridge.
Freeze.
Judge.
Judge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Okay, thanks. It is a very well pronunciation you already have shown over here. Now, say.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm?
Like, comment, share, and subscribe our
Channel. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.